Hey speaker, play music I like.
PSOC Edge, Infineon's next generation of microcontrollers, is enabling a new wave of machine learning edge devices. This secure and high-performance microcontroller solution allows designers to deliver unmatched user experiences faster, with a richer set of capabilities and at lower system power and cost. The PSOC Edge family is scalable, compatible, and future-proof. All three PSOC Edge series of microcontrollers are dual-core systems based on ARM Cortex cores and include robust hardware security features and advanced integration. These next-gen MCUs enable designers to quickly move from concept to product with robust security, added memory resources, a rich peripheral set, and machine learning, supporting presence and gesture sensing, predictive maintenance, voice and vision detection, and much more. And PSOC Edge offers a friction-free design experience with strong ecosystem partners, comprehensive documentation, and the industry-recognized Modus Toolbox software, integrated with Imagimob's Studio AI solution.
Good morning, Kitchen.
Join the next generation of AI today with Infineon's innovative and secure PSOC Edge microcontrollers.